Hey guys, Mariokart, and just a real quick video. I got this. Well, Luigi Time got this new Mario Kart, more control, and we're gonna be controlling Jackson. Let's go. So let me grab him. See? All right. Trying to get a good angle. There we go. Sorry if my thumb's in the way. I'm trying to get... Yeah. There he is.
Because Trump is mad he won, basically. I don't think he's mad he won. I think he's mad he won. Because basically it said, during the dinner at the White House,
Jackson,
he
go.
frequently
Go.
claimed that
Go.
millions undocumented
Jackson.
immigrants voted for Hillary.
Jackson.
So did he like not,
Jackson.
Like, did he not? He said
Here, boy.
he didn't
Here.
win fairly? I'm not really.
Here, boy.
I don't think
Jackson. Wow.
Oh, come here, can I see? Look at me.
Jackson.
I think I know what to do. I was gonna get a cookie out for him.
Don't give Jackson a cookie.
I'm not. Jackson.
There we go. Here you go, boy. Jackson. There. You have it. That was fun. That was